Managing money doesn't have to be complicated. Many people feel stressed about money because they don't have a clear system. They earn, they spend, and at the end of the month, they wonder where everything went. But what if there was a simple way to control your money? Hi, this is Mops, and today I want to share a powerful method that anyone can use, the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple. 50% of your income goes to your needs. Things like rent, food, transportation, what you must pay to live. 30% goes to your wants. This is your lifestyle, entertainment, shopping, things you enjoy. And the most important part, 20% goes to your future. Savings, investments, and building your wealth. This rule works because it gives every dollar a purpose. Instead of guessing where your money goes, you decide in advance. And the best part, you don't need a high income to start. You just need discipline. Even if you can't follow it perfectly, start small. Adjust the percentages. The goal is not perfection. The goal is control. Because once you control your money, you start building confidence. And once you build confidence, you start building wealth. So remember, don't let money control you. Create a system. Follow it consistently. And your future will begin to change. This is Mops, and I'll see you in the next step of your financial journey.